Kids 5, how are you? Hello Kids 5, how are you? I'm so very happy to say hello to you. Hello Kids 5, how are you? Hi there Kids 5A, how are you? Today we will still talk about the air. Do you remember the last week we made a paper boat and we blew it like this? Okay, but today we are gonna make another toy to play in the air. Yes, do you have any idea what will be? We are gonna make a kite. Yes, a kite. And I'm gonna show you now the materials that we'll use to make our kites. Okay, first we'll need some wood sticks. Okay, wood sticks, string, a tape, scissor, a tissue paper like this one. Whoa. And some slices of plastic bags like this. I think this will be easy, okay? I never did one before, so it's gonna be my first time, and let's do this together. Let's go. Okay guys, so you can position your kite the way you want to be, okay? You can shape the way you want. I'm gonna do like this. And now using the string, we need to connect all the corners and the notches, okay? And will be something like this. I'm gonna show you. Wow, look! I use the string to connect all my wood sticks. And is it like this? I shaped like this, guys, but you can also do another forms, another shapes, okay? Like this one. I'm gonna put you here in the screen for you to see. Like this, okay? And now we are gonna cover the kite with the paper, and for this you can use the tape, whatever you have there in your house, okay? Let's go. Look guys, my kite is almost ready, and as you see, I used white paper, but if you have colorful you can use. If you have also newspaper you can use, or if you have the white one you can decorate, okay, to be prettier. So now it's missing the last part. Now we need to make the tail of our kite, so I'm gonna use this slice of plastic and the string, okay? I'm gonna tie it up here, look, and then I'm gonna add the strings of plastic like this. Look, see? And look guys, this is the result of our kite. I hang it on the wall for you to see, and it's moving, look, because of the wind. Now it's ready for me to play. So that was it for today, Kids 5. I hope you like it, and I want to see your kites ready, okay? I want to see you playing with your kites. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next class. Bye bye.